I forgot to say rest in peace to my people in Utah. Couple months back in that mining accident. Keep your head up out there. Yo, circle of bosses, cash over bitches, triple blood, conducting organized business, controlling our block, cartel of ballers, cussing out broads and we crossing over bridges. This is how we do it on the motherfucking east side. Sipping that liquor, my nigga hide in the G5, keeping them automatic weapons whenever we ride. Hit them up with the COB line, quick and tripping on Hennessy and Patron. Light them up at the enemy with the chrome. Julius Luciano, my nigga Kenny Siegel, Andrew De Niro, Demetrius Capone. Chasey, I'll give you 3 to the dome. Sauce the boss, he putting weed in the bone like Cheech did with Chong. And my nigga Big Style got the keys to the beach, better creep when it's on. Just talk to Trey D on the phone. He told me quick, get the keys to the prom. It's your turn, take your seat on the throne where you belong and hold it till the G's come home. Feels good to be a gangsta MC. Boss of the West, nigga, lord of the underground. Everywhere I be, my Nina dick with me. Better wear a vest, cause the boy don't fuck around. Brr, stick him, ha ha ha, stick him. Hit him in his face, send him into space. Brr, stick him, the triggers, I'm finna click him, cause the pistol's in my waist. Put him in their place. You don't like it, suck a motherfucking Bozak. Blap, blap, I'm peeling your afro back. Leave a nigga Kojak, freeze him like a Kodak. Picture, get your shit, I'm quick to hit you. It's the Mr. C, uh-oh. If you fuck with me, you better not, 6 feet deep is where you go, Rest in peace, that's for sure, I'm putting bullets in that heater, I'm filling that millimeter to the top of the clip. Popping and dropping, I dip, I told you would have to see the leader of the squeezers for popping that shit. Your head, I drop in the ditch. I'm apocalyptic, you got me twisted. When I'm out east, I'ma cock the biscuits. When I'm in the Midwest, we gon' rock to this shit. In the dirty South, I'ma knock the thick bitch. Bust in the rooms, all cock and lipstick. Sucked up every last drop of liquid. She thought that I would fuck her, she was optimistic. Maybe next time, now it's not the business, cause a nigga gotta go back to the West. Packing my bag, grabbing my Mac in my vest. Got a trunk full of weed, speeding on the freeway. No, I don't need no map on the quest. Now I know what I'm doing, put a cat to the test. Cat that'll collapse in the map to your chest. 2 holes in your neck like I'm Dracula. Yes, you asked for me, nigga, you asked for the best. Yeah. Then I see you niggas next week.